The Beyerdynamic MPR 210 is the perfect microphone for the kind of lecturer, conference delegate or public speaker who has absolutely no microphone awareness. Rather than addressing the microphone directly, they will look away over to the right of the microphone and continue to talk. Or maybe over to the left, or perhaps after a few minutes up at the ceiling, or even down at their notes, whilst continuing to deliver. They will stand up, and then, after a few minutes, they will sit down again. Or perhaps lean into the mic, or lean away from the mic. With most microphones, this kind of behaviour would result in an enormous variation in both tone and dynamics. But as you can hear, the Beyer MPR 210 captures the wayward speaker's voice in a manner which is remarkably even.